Okay, Roar, can you say happy birthday?
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Roar. That is so nice.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, it is my birthday today. It is my birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, it is Ylvas happy birthday. It is. Hej allihopa! Nu är det 29 mars 2010 här i Hillsborough, Kalifornien. Klockan är 7:30 på morgonen. Och vi ska ha en härlig frukost som består av daimchoklad, chokladtårta, Marabou-choklad, chokladcupcakes och varm choklad. So should we dig in on the cupcakes, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you want a pink or a yellow one? Yellow?
Yeah.
Rylan, do you want a pink or a yellow cupcake?
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't care which one. Okay, you'll get a pink one. Rat, do you want to... Let's get you a pink one to match your sippy cup. Och jag ska såklart ta en rosa en. Was that good, guys? Do you like that? Jag vet att jag älskar det i alla fall. Bästa förelsedagsfrukosten.